What's going on YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. In today's video, I'm about to take my Integra Type S on a drive. So the proof is there that I really enjoy driving my GR Corolla, but this I haven't had the time to enjoy it like it should be driven. So I'm about to go on a road that I haven't driven since I had my ZL1, and this road was the ZL1, it was the cinch for it, and the GT350, I couldn't even get the exhaust to start popping and backfiring just because it's such a tight little area. But this should be able to do it just well. The Ace-Spec Integra would be able to handle it like an Ace, but when you step up in power, these cars, like certain areas just aren't the same anymore when you got so much power and development into the chassis and suspension. So we're about to take a drive around the lake. This is scary to do it. I never do this drive in the wintertime because it's like right next to the lake, and if you slip, oops, there you go, frozen. So let me hop into the car, figure out my camera situation because I forgot the mount for this camera, so I might have to use a crappy GoPro angle, so we'll figure it out, but let's go. Can't forget the Men of Culture, got Race Car Friends, Blueprint Run Elite, 100 and Nate, go check out their channels. This thing in the back, man, with the camera flying around. I need a cargo net. I put up in this piece. Safety first. Individual mode. Let's go. Dodging potholes. Water view, the boats, no holes. Turning radius. Yeah, this thing ain't good. Shout out to my man for being out here hooping. Oh, got the kid too. Father of the year. cars. Car seat. Car seat is all in the back of me. I'm about to start buckling that thing up. They don't do that in the Corolla at all. Gas light on. This car is supreme in the corners. Wish the seat hugged me a little more, where the Civic Type R would shine. Exhaust keeps popping, love it. Slip, I can get on the inner turn. Feel a slight torque steer, but nothing too bad. It's minimal. And since I need gas, let me go to Costco. Directions to Costco.
One possibility I see is Costco Wholesale on Commerce Crossing Road in Walled Lake.
Got 10 miles to empty. Got 254 miles on this tank of gas, 25 miles per gallon. I don't care how much of a hurry I'm in. I'm not bringing the gas pump to the other side of my car. I'm just not. A lot of people do it. I'll just wait. I think about that drive. It was fun. It was a whole lot of fun. But this car, the limits are higher than, I couldn't get the tires to squeal at all. That's when I know I'm doing some damage. But I might be the only person thinking I might need to downgrade my tires. I'm pretty sure I got the Michelin Pilot 4S's on these. Some high-end summer tire. I might want to drop it down to a lesser tire so I can have more fun. Because to me, it's not about the speed or how fast I can go. I don't care about being the fastest. I care about having the fun. And with weak sauce tires, I feel like that would be more fun. Especially in this car. Both cars, actually. All the cars. Because in that same trip in the ZL1, I felt nothing. And the ZL1, it like barely did anything. And I don't know, it was kind of not fun because it was a high horsepower car. Taking those turns like it was nothing. So even in the video, it didn't feel like I was going fast when I was actually going quite fast. But it didn't translate. And this car is kind of like that, but on a lesser level, a way lesser level. So might want to drop down to an all season. But spoiler alert, I'm taking one of these cars to the track. Another spoiler alert is going to be the Integra. So I really want to see how this car does on the track, because I feel like the limits on the Integra are higher than the GR Corolla. So we're going to be taking this one to the track and see how it does. But I'm about to pull up to the pump right now, so be looking out for that video in like a week's time. Let me know what car that you think I should take. I'm trying to take both, honestly, but I'm gonna prioritize the Integra Type S because I haven't been putting it up to its full potential, and that's gonna be on the track. The GR Corolla, I can do that anywhere else. But this was fun. I'm leaving you all with this. Yeah, I think this one has a way higher limit than the GR Corolla. That's why it's faster around the tracks for the most part. But the all-wheel drive offsets that for the Corolla. And then this, the chassis is just, I told y'all, even in the A-Spec, this thing is sublime. Like, this chassis is amazing, and it's lighter, so it can carry its weight in the curves really well. And all-wheel drive helps the GR Corolla. But I'm gonna leave you all with this. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel, and I'll catch you all in the next video.